Save $20 on your next power bill. Just sign up with Arcadia Power, a provider of free renewable energy certificates. This is how it works. Arcadia Power monitors your monthly electricity usage and matches it with Green Energy certified renewable energy certificates to verify you are using clean energy. In addition, it will manage your local utility bill to provide you with worry-free automatic payments and electronic billing. The result is a cleaner, better energy experience. It takes just 3 minutes to create an account with Arcadia Power, and you can track your energy usage in its user-friendly customer dashboard. Best of all, getting started with 50% wind energy is completely free. Even better, you can save $20 on your next bill when you sign up with the link provided in the description below. Arcadia Power provides a convenient, free way to support clean and renewable energy. As an added benefit, exclusive rewards, discounts and partner offers are available through your energy dashboard. Clean energy is now only mouse clicks away.